cut with my twin, we be wildin'. As y'all can tell, I'm in a good mood, y'all. It is currently 10:17 p.m. okay, it's 10 o'clock at night, and you know what, I was like, it's time for me to turn the camera. So we're gonna get into today's video. So before we get started, hit that black subscribe button, because I just got told that the subscribe button now is black. So hit that black subscribe button before we go any farther, because if you stayed this far in the video, 30 seconds in, that means you're interested. So hit that button. So I'm not gonna have us here too long, because I know y'all trying to get to it like I'm trying to get to it, but we're gonna go through the top 10 YouTube videos you can do this year for Vlogtober. So y'all, it's Vlogtober. Today is actually October 1st. I'm recording this, but y'all gonna see this October 2nd. So happy Monday. But let's get into Vlogtober and what it is. So Vlogtober is just the same thing as Vlogmas. Vlogmas is in December. You go from day 1 till Christmas Day, and you upload a video every single day of you doing activities. And Vlogtober is the same thing. So now I know a lot of people don't celebrate Halloween. Me personally, I don't celebrate Halloween either. So I'm going to be uploading often, but it won't be centered around like Halloween. For the most part, it's going to just be me, and I might probably do like a little decoration for Halloween, things like that. But just don't worry, these ideas can be done for anybody, okay? So Vlogtober is when you post one video a day until October 31st, which is Halloween, and y'all kind of just see where your channel goes. I want to tell you all that if you start posting consistently, your channel definitely will grow. This month has been my highest month for views, highest month for income, highest month for subscribers, which was September, because if y'all did not peep or did not notice that in September I uploaded almost every day for about 2 weeks, and I seen results. So if you want to know about my September analytics, comment the words I want to know about your September analytics, and we can kind of dive into it, and I kind of give y'all tips and tricks. But today is just a list of video ideas, so let's just get right into it. So number 1, you can do a rearrange my apartment with me, rearrange my dorm with me, rearrange my room with me. So whether you live at home with your mom, whether you're in college, or you live on your own like I do, rearrange your room. If y'all can tell, my room is kind of rearranged a little bit already. You can do wig and style videos, and you can also do natural hair videos. So if you're not a wig girly, you can also do natural hair videos. You can also do wig videos. And honestly, the wigs and the hair in general right now, to me, is just trending on TikTok and trending on YouTube. I grew up watching hair videos all the time in high school, so it's just coming back around. Like, for some reason, at one point in time, makeup was taking over, but I feel like hair is starting to take back over again. You can do a video on like business. So if you're like in a business aspect, you can do business videos as well. So you can do how to make sales on launch day, how to make sales every day, how to grow your followers. You can do all those type of videos to kind of encourage your audience to work on their business. Especially if you are a business YouTube channel, you can just teach people how to make money in their business, how to grow their business, things like that. You can do a DIY nails tutorial. Y'all, I did not do a DIY nail tutorial yet on this page, I don't think. But I showed off all of my press-ons that I do have, y'all. And that short's got 8,000 views. So that's just showing you that short is actually showing me that people are interested in like DIY nails. And these are DIY nails, by the way. So when I do work on my birthday nails, I'm going to record myself doing my nails, so that way I can make that a separate video. Again, intermission. If you are a Libra, check in down below because my birthday is October 9th. So by the time y'all see this, I will have 8 days into my birthday, big 27. So if you are a Libra, comment down below your birthday because I would love to say happy birthday to you. If your birthday already passed and you're a Libra, happy birthday to you, girl and guy. Okay. You can also do a going to like pumpkin patch date or any type of fall theme activity, pumpkin patch, apple orchards, things like that. People just love seeing that. Me personally, I'm going to try to get to the pumpkin patch this year. Even though I am going to be 27, I don't care. I'm reliving my childhood, okay? And as a child, we went to the pumpkin patch as a child with like our school. We never went with like my mom or anything like that. So I definitely might get to the pumpkin patch this year, and if I do, I'm going to take y'all with me. So if y'all want to see that, let me know down below if y'all would like to see like a pumpkin patch or like an apple orchard or like pumpkin painting, things like that. People want to kind of see some type of holiday inside of Vlogtober. Also, you can do a TikTok shop review or overview. So for example, if you are a business, you can talk about TikTok shop from your business standpoint. And if you are a creator like I am, you can talk about TikTok shop from the creator standpoint. You can also do tutorial videos, how to make thumbnails, how to edit, things like that. CapCut has just been trending for like the past year. CapCut is still trending, so if you are really good at like edits on CapCut, you can teach people how to edit on CapCut, how to make thumbnails on CapCut, how to make thumbnails in general with Canva. So you can do videos like that. Also, if you are good at saving money, you can do a how to save money video. I'm good at saving money, but I personally won't do a video like that. But if you're like a person who has gotten yourself out of debt before, or if you have paid off big bills, you can teach others how to pay off debt, how to pay off big bills and things like that, or how to do savings challenge. I know like a lot of people are into like the $5,000 saving challenge, the $10,000 saving challenge. Me personally, I'm trying to take on the $10,000 savings challenge for the year of 2024. So we'll see how we do with that. I'm already starting, but we'll see. Another video I got wrote down is, honestly, I think this is more than 10, but that's okay. I'm pretty sure y'all like these ideas. And if y'all do like these ideas, let me know down below if you do. And if you don't, then I just still hope that you like them. You can also do pros and cons of business. If you are a business owner, you can do pros and cons of owning a business. If you are an influencer, you can do pros and cons of being an influencer, pros and cons of being an Instagram influencer, TikTok influencer, YouTuber, things like that. So you kind of can just take all these ideas and make them work for you. So if you're not a business owner, you can still do it, but just put as a creator. Sassy, stop. I'm going to do a couple more. So you can do like a nighttime routine, and you kind of can make it like fall theme. So you can kind of do like a face mask, and I don't know if they have like pumpkin spice theme face mask or like pumpkin body wash or pumpkin lotion. I don't know honestly, but you can do something like that and kind of make it cute, or be like, or you can just do like a nighttime routine but only wearing orange, or skincare routine but only using orange things, stuff like that. Kind of just make it like nice and cute. And you kind of can do like a cozy night in where you like put on your like pumpkin pajamas and you bake your cookies and you watch like Halloween Town. So y'all, it's so many things that you can do this Vlogtober to kind of be cute and on trend. You can and then another thing too that's really good about this year opposed to like last year is a lot of people are taking the vlogs to TikTok as well. So even if you don't want to do Vlogtober on actual YouTube, you can do these same exact things on TikTok. So you can vlog your day, you going to shop and go get the stuff for like your, like I said, cozy night in. Or you can also record yourself doing like the nighttime routine. So you can film yourself, put on your pajamas, film yourself making your bed, film yourself watching Halloween Town, things like that. So everything honestly that you can do on YouTube, you can do it on TikTok, and that's what I love. And honestly, you kind of could do it on Instagram Reels too. So it just all depends on how far and how serious you want to take this content creating thing. Okay, I want to try personally to do it on YouTube simply because my aesthetic and like my theme of my TikTok it kind of would match but kind of wouldn't match. My TikTok is kind of more of like shopping and like girly finds, pink things and stuff like that. So but at the same time, y'all know I tell y'all all the time, just post everything and you just never know what will go viral. So I might try to do Vlogtober on TikTok, but I'm for sure going to try to do it here on YouTube. And that's why I want to record this video today, to kind of just give y'all some ideas. And kind of give y'all some of my ideas. Like literally, these are a list of YouTube videos that I plan on doing by the end of the year. Like I'm planning on really checking off the list every time I do a video. So we're gonna see how far we can get. We got 90 days left in the year and I got 100 YouTube video ideas. So we're going to see how many YouTube videos I can knock out. I hope some of these ideas was good. I know this video was pretty quick. Like I don't want to make it too long and too boring, too drawn out, because like honestly y'all came here for the list of video ideas. And once you get your list of video ideas or kind of get your brain flowing, you good. You wanna go to the next video. So I understand how that is, because that's how I am. Like when I get what I got, I'll be good. So we're gonna end the video right here. Make sure you hit that black subscribe button down below if you made it this far, because you just listened to me talk for 10 minutes unedited. So that means that you like how I look or how I sound. So either way it go, you can hit that subscribe button. And if you do want to go over my September analytics with me, definitely comment September analytics down below, and I definitely will go into depth of those. Honestly, I never really did a video like that, but as I told y'all, I'm telling y'all, and I'm doing the same thing I'm telling y'all, I'm trying to start to diversify my content, and I'm posting some of any and everything that's still kind of on trend, still kind of on niche, but I'm just trying it out. So if y'all do want me to do a deep dive into my September analytics and what I did for September to make September my highest earning month in my YouTube history, let me know down below and I will get that video out. But don't forget to hit that black subscribe button, and I will see y'all later. Bye.